Hi everybody, Dr. Mandy here, getting on to talk about a question that comes up quite a bit in our office, and that is, how often do I need to get new hearing aids? Well, there are a lot of factors that go into getting new hearing aids and what is the average life of hearing aids. Um, First of all, we'll talk about the average life of hearing aids. So the average life of hearing aids, I tell patients, is 3 to 5 years. Most manufacturers are going to give you a 2 or 3 year warranty on your hearing aids, meaning if something breaks, we can't fix it in the office, and the manufacturer will fix it for you. After the warranty is up, they do offer repairs with warranties that come with those, and typically hearing aids will, after about 7, 8 years, manufacturers are like, okay, it's time to think about new hearing aids, because a lot of the parts and a lot of the pieces available are obsolete at that point. So in a nutshell, how often do you need to get new hearing aids? Well, you can make your hearing aids last a long time if you clean them and take care of them, as long as the prescription still fits your hearing loss and you're performing well with them. So kind of a lot of factors that go into the lifespan of a hearing aid. I think the biggest thing is if you clean them and take care of them, and you make sure that you're going into the office every year, getting your hearing checked, making sure that your provider is updating the prescription in your hearing aids. If your hearing has changed dramatically, sometimes those hearing aids just aren't good for your hearing loss anyways, and then you would have to consider new hearing aids. If you're always repairing your hearing aids after the warranty, and then it might be time to think about, okay, where am I investing my money for my hearing? I mean, am I going to keep repairing these hearing aids until the company says, okay, we don't have the parts anymore, or we're just not going to fix it? Or do you take that money and you improve into the technology of a new set of hearing aids? Because as you know, technology is constantly changing all the time in the hearing aid industry. But you also need to know that if your hearing aids are 3 to 4 years old, your audiologist, your provider, has made sure the prescription's accurate the way it's supposed to be, you're performing well, you're not struggling, there really is no reason to switch. But again, if you're always curious on what's new with hearing aids, please talk to your provider, ask the questions, and it's always good to know what's out there. If you have any questions, you can call our office at 605-306-3050. You can hop on any of our social media sites, send a message. We're always here for you. Thanks.
We are here to help. If you want to chat with Dr. Mandy, go to SiouxFallsAudiologyAssociates.com.